LOUIE PIMENTEL from BSMX1-B. Today I will be showing you on how to do a straight through cable. First, we need these materials. A pair of RG45 UTP cable Cat5e, which the E stands for enhanced. Cat5e can support network operating speeds of 10 Mbps, 100 Mbps, or 1000 Mbps. Scissors, crimper, and a network tester, which I don't have, but I have an alternative way to test the straight through cable that I will make, which I'll connect the UTP cable to the Globe prepaid Wi-Fi to a computer or laptop. But first, we will make the straight through cable. Let's cut the UTP cable to see the wires in it using a crimper. As you can see the little wires inside the UTP cable. And let's do it again on the other side of the UTP cable. As you can see, you can see the little wires inside the UTP cable. And now you must follow the codes of the straight through cable by color. Orange, stripe orange, stripe green, stripe blue, blue, green, brown, and stripe brown. As you can see, orange, stripe orange, stripe green, stripe blue, green, blue, brown, and stripe brown. Use a scissor to level each wires. So now they're level. Insert the wires into the RG45. Make sure the wires be inserted, and the wires must reach the end of the RG45. So you can make sure the level enough to connect it to the internet. Now use the crimper to crimp the RG45. Insert RG45 into the crimper. and crimp it. As you can see, the RG45 is crimped to the UTP cable. And let's do it again the other side with UTP cable. As you can see, the wires is now set to cut. Use the scissor again to cut to level each wires. And now they're level. Insert the wires into the RG45. Using the crimper again, crimp the RG45. And now they're set to test. But I don't have any network cable tester, but I will use an alternative way to test my UTP cable using this globe at home prepaid Wi-Fi. So now I will try my UTP cable to see if it will work. So I will now connect my UTP cable to the globe prepaid Wi-Fi. And connect the other end to the computer. As you can see, the computer is not connected to the internet. So I will use my UTP cable to see if it will work. As you can see, my UTP cable is now connected to the internet. So let's test if it will work. So the Google Chrome is now opening, and let's see if it will work. So let's tap Google. Oh, as you can see, my UTP cable works, so it's a success for me.